We recently purchased this Chefman 6-quart air fryer, and I wanted to share a few first impressions after getting it set up and using it for the first time. One thing I noticed right away is that it takes up way less counter space than our old one, but the basket is just as roomy and it's actually really deep, which makes it easy to cook a decent amount of food at once without crowding. And it also has this really nice big handle, which feels sturdy and makes it easy to slide in and out. And I love that it has this insert that pops out easily. The basket itself and that insert are dishwasher safe, which makes things so nice and easy to get it clean. The touchscreen I found was very simple to use. There are 4 preset options, or you can set your own time and temperature manually, which is what I like to do. I tested it out with some mozzarella sticks and it gave me a reminder to shake it halfway through. I don't normally do that, but if you do, then that is a nice feature. The mozzarella sticks came out crispy and evenly cooked. There were no cold spots. Overall, I found this air fryer to be very compact, user-friendly. It has all the essentials you need to make food quick and delicious.